That tiny squeak or crackle when you yawn is a tube the width of a pencil lead opening for a fraction of a second. The Eustachian tube connects your middle ear to the back of your nose. It stays closed most of the time and snaps open when you yawn or swallow to equalize pressure. The squeak is air and a film of mucus moving through as it opens. A tube that stays stuck, open or closed, causes fullness, echoing, and sometimes ringing, which is why doctors check it first. And if your ears ever ring, the free ear lab guide is at earlabs.app/shorts.